Alright, what's up? What is the ultimate Philippine folding blade? Well, the answer to that is the Balisong, of course. So let's have an unpacking video of a Balisong. Hi there, I'm Jason. I'm your host. I'm a college instructor, entrepreneur, writer, rock guitarist, martial arts enthusiast. I'm into blade building, blades research, and I'm into prepping and survivalism as a useful hobby. Right, this particular parcel arrived just today from Balisong, Taal, Batangas, from Liza's Balisong store. So let's open it up. We will be using our Victorinox climber once again. We've been using this for our past unboxing videos. So let's use it again for this session. So you know very well that the Balisong is a staple of Batangas blade culture. So here it is. It is in a brown box. It has my name. So let's start opening it. It's an unpacking and an unboxing video as well. Let's use this particular knife. It's well packed. So kudos to our friend from Batangas. Well, the thing is we are indoors and it is night time, so just bear with the here it is. It's covered or is packed with bubble wrap. So again, kudos to our friend from Batangas for packing it really well. Nice. Almost out. Here it is. Nice, huh? Oh, bumukas. It's open. Try to close it. Okay. We'll have a closer look. Alright, here's the blade now, and here's our Victorinox. Now, this is a Balisong from Taal, Batangas. The Balisong is the ultimate Philippine folding blade. When we talk of folding blades here in the Philippines, we really have to mention the Balisong. You see, the Balisong is also extant in European blade culture because there's evidence that it is also present in European blade culture, particularly the blade culture of the French and of the Germans. However, it is postulated that the Balisong was brought there during the early days, particularly during 1800s by our Philippine propagandists, particularly Jose Rizal, Antonio Luna, the Luna brothers, and other Filipino propagandists who studied there, particularly in Spain, and you know very well that they would loiter around. They would go to different places in Europe, particularly Rizal, And some blade scholar, they say that the Balisong was brought to Europe by our Filipino patriots. But then again, largely the Balisong is attributed to the Filipinos, particularly to the Batangueños. As in this particular piece here, which is from Taal, Batangas, from Villanueva's Balisong or Liza's Balisong store. So let's check it out. There's brass as usual. There's usually a brass component. I think this is stainless. Another brass component, and this is Carabao horn with carving. Carabao horn with carving. Some other time they also use wood. Sometimes they would also use antler. Sometimes bronze. Sometimes this is all bronze. Someday we'll be featuring my Balisong collection. Now let's try to check the blade. Here's the blade. This is not your Rambo type, so they actually have a term for this in Batangas. The edge might need some work because it has a small dent over there, maybe brought about by the grinding process. So it has some kind of a dent, but nothing that we can't fix, nothing that we can't work on and sharpen and polish. So here's the Balisong blade. Majestic, huh? Can lock it this way. Just a simple Balisong, but really nice to carry when you're outdoors, camping, when you're cooking. It's very handy. Since it's a folder, you can easily just keep it this way. Nicely done. There. Do you also collect Balisongs, Philippine blades? Kindly comment down below. You may also provide some kind of a direction to your own YouTube channel so we can also watch and check your collection, particularly Balisong collection. Or are you into Balisongs? Or do you sell Balisongs, etc.? Do you build them? Do you do extensive research on the Balisong? Kindly comment down below so we can also check your channel and so we can have more knowledge on the Balisong. Okay, alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel. This channel is devoted to current events, literature, blade culture, rock music, the outdoors, prepping, and survivalism. And remember, the pen is mightier with the sword and a Balisong. Thanks for watching.